Wow, what an exhausting day. We must have walked across the entire city.
I know, Mom! But it was an absolute blast.
I'm definitely feeling worn out. And my stomach is starting to growl.
Mom, we should probably start looking for a place to grab dinner soon.
I couldn't agree more. My tummy is definitely letting me know it's empty.
And then the penguin said, "That's not a fish." Same here.
I feel like I could eat an entire buffet right now.
Check out all the restaurants on this avenue. We have so many options. And the food smells incredible.
Mom, look at that spot over there. It seems highly rated. You're right, it looks packed. Just look at how many people are waiting inside.
Wow, I don't see a single empty table.
Yeah, it's completely full. But that usually means the chef is fantastic.
Do we need to do anything specific before we walk in?
What do you mean, Leo?
Like, should we have called them earlier today?
Oh, are you talking about a reservation?
What would a reservation mean?
It's when you call the restaurant ahead of time so they can hold a table just for you.
Oh, that makes a lot of sense.
Exactly. That way, you skip the line. It's super common at popular dining spots. Well, we didn't book a reservation tonight, but it never hurts to ask. Let's head inside and see.
Whoa, it's even crazier in here.
Everyone looks so satisfied with their meals. The aroma in here is fantastic.
Check out the table next to us. That steak looks unbelievable.
And that grilled fish looks perfectly cooked. Okay, now I'm starving. The host said there might be a short wait. No problem. I just hope we don't have to wait an hour.
Me neither. Let's cross our fingers. Hey, Mom, look. That booth over there is opening up.
Good eye, Leo. Maybe they will seat us right there. Here you go, sweetie. This booth is so cozy. I'm glad the wait wasn't too bad.
Same here. Whoa, why do we have so many forks and spoons?
Well, in traditional Western dining, the meal is divided into parts called courses. Different parts.
Courses? Like classes in school?
No, different stages of the food. First, you get the appetizer. Right, like a starter dish to get you going. Next is the main course, or the entree. That's the largest plate.
That's the part I care about!
And finally, dessert. A sweet treat to finish the night.
I'm definitely saving room for dessert. But which fork do I use?
You always start from the outside silverware and work your way in with each course.
Oh, I get it! Like unlocking levels in a video game.
Exactly. All right, let's browse the menu. Everything sounds fantastic.
I think I'm going to get the steak.
Excellent choice, Leo. That sounds hearty. I'm leaning towards the grilled fish. Fish is a wonderful option. They serve it with a few different sauces here. I see a lemon butter sauce. What's that like? Lemon sauce has a bit of a tangy, sour kick to it. It's very light and refreshing. Regular butter sauce is much thicker and richer. I'll definitely go with the lemon sauce. Great choice. It will taste very vibrant. Look, the waiter is here. Let's order. Hello, we are ready. She will have the grilled fish with the lemon sauce. And my son will have the steak, cooked medium, please. Thank you so much. I can't wait to taste the lemon sauce. Fresh and a little sour sounds perfect to me.
Let's just chill out while we wait for the chef.
Today was exhausting, but we made some great memories. This place has such a great energy. I see a lot of families dining together. It really gives the restaurant a welcoming vibe. I love watching the different dishes come out of the kitchen. Me too. Food is such a huge part of learning a culture. Traveling exposes us to so many new flavors.
And new English vocabulary! Here comes our food!
Wow, it is beautifully plated. And the citrus smell from the sauce is amazing.
My steak is sizzling. It looks super juicy. I can't wait anymore.
Dig in, everybody. How is it? It is absolutely delicious. Really? I'm so glad. The fish is incredibly fresh.
My steak is out of this world.
The lemon sauce is a tiny bit tart, but very zesty. It's the perfect combination. The fish melts in your mouth, but the skin is nice and crunchy.
My steak is cooked perfectly. So savory.
It's fun to describe food, isn't it? We can use words like delicious, tasty, and fresh.
Don't forget sweet and salty.
And sour, too. English food vocabulary is actually really fun to practice. Honestly, this is the best seafood I've had on this trip. That makes me so happy. Food is always better when you share it with good company. I don't think I can eat another bite. I am stuffed.
That was an epic dinner.
Oh, the check is here. Let me take a look. The total is very reasonable. That meal was absolutely worth the price.
Mom, are you going to leave a tip?
Yes, tipping is standard practice here. How does a tip work in America? So, a tip is extra money you give to your server for good service. A tip is extra money we leave to thank the waiter for taking care of us. Normally, we leave about 15 to 20% of the total bill. Oh, that's a wonderful way to show appreciation to the staff. Exactly, Elena. Politeness goes a long way. I'll just put it on my credit card. It's so convenient.
Yeah, paying with a card is super fast.
All signed. Let's head out.
Thanks for the amazing food. Goodbye!
The evening breeze feels fantastic. A post-dinner stroll is exactly what we need right now.
We definitely picked the right restaurant. And I learned so much tonight.
Oh yeah? Like what?
I learned about making reservations, eating in courses, different sauces, and a bunch of adjectives: delicious, tasty, fresh, sweet, salty, sour.
Learning a language, this dinner was not only yummy, but super educational.
I'm definitely going to remember tonight.
Me too. Traveling brings the best experiences and the best vocabulary. The skyline looks stunning tonight. Elena, did you have fun at your very first American dinner? Yes, I loved it. I was a tiny bit nervous at first, but it ended up being perfect. Trying new things can be intimidating, but that's the magic of travel. Thank you so much for treating me to dinner, Sarah. It was our pleasure, Elena. We love having you with us.
Leo had a question about the forks. There were so many. The rule is easy. Always start with the fork on the outside and work your way in, just like a game. How do we talk about food? We learned some great words today. If you like the food, you can say it is delicious or tasty. If the food is new, from the sea or the farm, it is fresh. Lemons are sour. Cake is sweet, and fries are usually salty. Finally, it is time to go home. How do we pay? The waiter brings the bill or the check. This is the paper that shows the price. In America, you also leave a tip. A tip is extra money. You give it to the waiter to say, "Thank you for the good service." People usually leave 15 to 20%. Learning English with food is so much fun. Now, I have a question for you. What is your favorite food? Is it sweet, salty, or sour? Tell us in the comments below. Thank you for watching English Story Vault. Please like this video and subscribe for more easy English stories. See you next time.